How to add local files to Spotify playlist. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add local files to Spotify playlist. First of all, open up the Spotify app. Once you get into your Spotify account, tap on Settings icon from the top right corner. Now, from Settings, tap on the Local Files option. Then, simply tap to turn on the Local File option from here, which will help you show audio files from this device. After that, click Your Library option from the bottom bar. Then, you have to create a playlist. You can create a new playlist or use an existing one where you want to add your local files. After that, you can add local files to playlist just by simply dragging and dropping the local files from your computer into the playlist you've created. Also, sync the playlist and make sure the playlist is set to be available offline if you want to listen to these tracks on a mobile device. You may need to connect your mobile device to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer and download the playlist for offline listening. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.